At this very moment, NASA is tracking 1,400 asteroids that have the potential to destroy the Earth. The 1,397 potentially hazardous asteroids, or PHOs to those who track them, are shown in this image that's been released by NASA. If you want to include comets, the number jumps to more than 1,400. In order to qualify as a PHO, the object must be closer than 4.6 million miles to Earth and bigger than 350 feet in diameter. Like the asteroid 1998 QE2, which flew within 3.6 million miles of Earth in May and was the size of a golf course. Scientists believe that if one of these objects collided with the Earth, there would be devastating consequences. I'm Matt Sampson, the Weather Channel.